Thirito ya President William Ruto na mutongoria wa ODM Raila Odinga iramenyererwo ta thahabu ona kana kiuma kia ritho gutigirira maria maiguithanirio thirikari-ini ya urumwe ni makinyanirio mbere ya githurano kia mwaka wa 2027 hatari gatithio ona kana hangarata.
30,000 imebaki shilingi 4,000.
Eria ya mathiete na mbere na kuhurira ndefe wiguano wao uria mahinda kwa mahinda uthimindagwo o hindi President Ruto acera gicigo-ini kia Nyanza na umuthi mathiko-ini ma muteti na muhuraniri wa mieke ya atumia Phoebe Acio. Raila ahuthirite mweke ucio kweheria nganja o ciothe iria cingituma ekuo kuna mĩhĩtwa ya kĩhiko kiao kiuteti.
We sacrifice so that it could be peace in this country. And that's the reason why we are here today. I do not regret what we did. We did it in the best interest of our country. And Kenya must move forward.
Today, you have assisted me to put together the broad-based government, a government that brings all communities, all regions, all parts of Kenya in an inclusive manner into one administration.
Raila augite nderirite gukorwo thirikari-ini ya urumwe na kuna ati nionete ukinyaniria wa maundu 10 maria maiguanĩire maria ni hamwe na icio ikuhiria thirikari kwanĩrĩra nĩ kũrĩha ngarama ya aria maguraria na gukwĩra mĩrũrũngano-inĩ kuma mwaka wa 2017.
We are not doing trial and error. This is not an exercise of guesswork. We know where we've come from. We know the risks our nation has gone through. And we know what we must do and where we must go so that we can secure the peace, the stability, and the progress of our nation.
Those who have been maimed, those who have been injured, those who have been in hospital, and those who have died, the families of those who have died will be compensated.
Raila arauga aria maruga President Ruto ni waite na rimwe matire na mufango. President akiuga muoroto wa wiguano wao ari kuiguithania muingi wa ituri ciothe cia bururi.
The naysayers give us space, give us room, and judge us in 2027. And we've said this is going to remain in place up to 2027. After that, we will see where we go to. If you are saying one term, so what? It's the Kenyans who will decide the term.
Eria ya maugite matua ma muthia magatuo ni ya Kenya ndefe-ini na mari na umate maria manyuithanirie muma ni makamahonokia ihinda ria kinya amuona bunge ni thagathagite wega guthurima na kwarira mitaratara ya ukinyaniria wa maria matari makinyanirio.
I am confident when that time comes, we will face Kenyans squarely and tell Kenyans, this is why we did ABCD, this is where we want to go. Utasema yako, tutasema yetu.
Will be undertaken by making sure that our parliamentary groups are aligned so that they can assist us process the necessary documentation, pass the necessary legislation, and provide the necessary funds for us to be able to implement the commitments we have made.
Kĩhiko gĩkĩ kĩrongererwo rugari kĩng'ang'a-inĩ rĩrĩ gũkoretwo na mũhuhu wa gũtuĩka Raila no eherere Ruto ihinda o rĩothe na metane menyere ĩndĩ Odinga athing'ĩrĩirie mũcibi ũrĩa meyohire hamwe no kũrũma ũrarũma na matigũtiganaga matĩra. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV njĩtagwo Julius Kareithi wa Mũnene.